My project topic is analysis and design of multi-story buildings for framed structures with high performance concrete. In this project, I am going to the geometry of the framed structures should be analyzed by using StatPro package. The following analysis has been done for the project, that is static analysis, free vibration analysis, and response spectrum analysis and seismic analysis. Mainly in the beam and column design done for gravity load and seismic load, and free vibration analysis also done for these framed structures. Seismic analysis done by seismic coefficient method. Ductile detailing has been done for beam and column reinforced by using IS 13920-1993 for seismic forces. The seismic upgradations technique are formulated to these framed structures. This technique has been done by using bracing made up of steel with property of IS MB 400. The purpose of doing these techniques is to reduce the forces compared to all other analyses. Hence, steel bracing is adapted to analysis the seismic upgradations technique. It has been found that the upgradation technique has a relatively new and a promised technique. In static analysis, we may found the bending moment, shear force, and displacement of the structures. And other one is the time history analysis. In the time history method, analysis when used shall be the displacement and the moment we may found for the maximum forces. Free vibration analysis. Free vibration analysis shall be performed for the either building as per established methods for mechanics using the approximate masses and the elastic stiffness of the structure system to obtain the natural properties, periods and mode shape. In free vibration analysis, we may get the entire building collapse due to earthquakes, and in static analysis, the aim of the static analysis to find out the displacement, moment and shear force. Okay, finally I am going to adapt on the end of this project I am going to provide a bracing for the framed structure in X direction. For the main aim of this project is to reduce the lateral forces, that is seismic forces. Basically we are in the third zone, Chennai, that is also maximum